right on time, and exactly halfway there. Halfway sounds good to some and bad to others. For me, it's clearly positive, because running is my personal passion. Quality time to let new thoughts come to my mind. Accepting the challenge and going all the way makes you proud. And Skoda is filled with pride, taking responsibility locally and globally. And we are on track. We set off with a giant leap, the enyaq IV. Unique, innovative and intuitive. So we're increasing speed, we're making a vision come true, but we're only halfway there on our path to making sustainable mobility accessible for everyone. When we get it running, the only direction we know is forward, taking Skoda to the next level.
Kayaking is about anticipating the forces of nature. Water is pure energy, elementary and powerful. You can either go with the flow or you take control. It's all a question of technique, figuring out the right equipment and using it the proper way. A discovery journey, researching, testing, sometimes failing, then succeeding. Optimizing the toolset. The source of innovation is technical excellence, but it takes courage to explore new paths, even against the current. We had a vision. A blueprint for innovative thinking. And with the enyaq Coupe IV, we brought it to life. My idea of innovation is always human-centric. And that means uniting technology with emotion. When you go through the rapids, you don't think about the equipment, you simply trust it. And you get immersed in the experience. It's a state of mind. Have it your way, dive into the action, or enjoy the calm.
Abandoned places. The fascination of exploring what lies around the next corner. To me, that's a source of inspiration. Strolling around there helps me to concentrate, and at the same time, it tickles my imagination. My pulse slows down, my mind opens up. Stories emerge. Sceneries, fantastic landscapes. Like opening a new blank page in a sketchbook, getting exposed to a free flow of impressions. Light. Space. Color. Texture. Shape, movement. Inspiration does not always arise from perfection. But perfection is the benchmark for a great design. A symphony of forms adding up to one holistic experience, creating emotion. The enyaq Coupe IV is a statement to stand out from the rest. An all-electric SUV coupe cast in a fluid shape, designed to ignite the spark of passion in every driver and to make your heart beat faster.
the new Skoda enyaq Coupe IV. No fuel, just heartbeat.